Hi Salesforce Trailblazer, it's your good friend Anna Zabo, and I have some amazing news to share with you about my new job, which is my absolute dream job. It took a year to get to actually landing this dream job, and I am so excited to share with you every step of my journey and my keys to success, and it's all coming within the next few weeks. In this video, I would like to tell you about a 5-star rated free AppExchange app called Coefficient, which is all about connected spreadsheets. It connects your live Salesforce data to Google Sheets, and it gives you a whole library of pre-built dashboards so that you can not even worry about any manual labor, and it gives access to your live Salesforce data to all your team members, even those who are not current users of your Salesforce org, because Salesforce licenses are not free, but you can get to your team members live Salesforce data for free using Coefficient. You can simply download it from AppExchange. Link is in the description of this video below or somewhere here around this video. Look for it. I also wrote 4 different articles about Coefficient because I got so excited about it, and I spent hours reading 5-star raving reviews on AppExchange from trailblazers just like you and me, and I was very impressed. That's why I'm here to tell you about this app. That's why I wrote 4 LinkedIn articles, all linked below in this video, and each article actually has a separate video I filmed just for you. So I would like for you to check it out, download it, give it a try, and if it actually benefits your org, make sure you go to AppExchange and leave a positive 5-star review there. Thank you so much for watching. Share this video with somebody who needs this information right now. Give it a like, and again, I can't wait to share with you my upcoming news about my new job, which is going to blow your mind. A true story about giving yourself a chance, persevering through adversity, skilling up for the 21st century in 2023 when we all experience so many layoffs, and having unshakable faith. So stay tuned for that.